I'm so grateful for that experience because it has left me with a really important, really valuable life lessons. You see, most people wait until everything is perfect before they go pursue their dreams. And sure, there is something to be said about doing your research, something to be said about having proper plans, but you cannot hold your dreams hostage to perfection. So we got started, although we didn't have a perfect plan. We got started on our dreams. And that principle, I believe, holds for any dream you may have, whether it's finishing a college degree, losing weight, saving money, you name it. You have to get started.